So on this FVRR, I mean, this had so many great patterns in this chart worth looking at here. So it was a brand new issue, opened at 25, traded up to 28, just double top, pulled back, but then started making higher lows, and there was a wedge formation. And when it broke out through this wedge, and this right in here at 27.21, that was an entry level. So let's say 27.50. It's up $11 since then, but it took off and then got into this sideways trading channel. Now this would have been difficult to stay in this trade because it, you draw this support and it broke down through that support. So you may have been shook out of that, but it did pop back up. But you could have re-entered here at 31.58, popped through, so it made this bull flag. And then it popped up through that, and now we can draw this. We have some lines to be able to draw a channel. And it got into this wedge pattern, this big bull coil, for quite a while. But then when it popped through that, popped up, came back, tested the resistance, or the support, and then got into this traded to the top of the channel. You could have sold some there, sold some there. And now, but it just stays in this channel. So you can stay in this trade. There's no reason after this here sort of breakdown that you would need to have exited this trade. Because if you draw the channel line like this, or even like this, it just really traded sideways through here. So you would have just been fanning out the channel. And then what you need to do is, so we move it up to here so we get a more realistic channel like this. And so it just stayed in the channel. Stayed in the channel again, popped. This is such a beautiful chart for guidance on how to trade these stocks. Absolutely picture perfect.